Okay, so how to write alert box? Alert box is basically ALERT, small letters you have to give. And JavaScript is case sensitive. Remember the point. One simple thing I want to say. JavaScript is case sensitive. What is meaning of case sensitive? Case sensitive. What is the meaning of case sensitive? Capital is capital, smaller is smaller. Capital is capital, and smaller is smaller. Yes, so for example, Srinivas, this is the one variable, or Srini is one variable, and this is one variable, and this is one variable. Okay, and this is one variable. Got my point? Got my point. So these four are not similar. These four are different. Why? Because of here all small letters. Here first letter is capital letter. Here all letters are capital letters. Here first three letters are capital letters. And this is a separate variable. And this is a separate variable. Something like that. That is what actually JavaScript is. JavaScript is case sensitive. Alert is something like this. Alert is not like this. This is wrong. This is wrong. But this is the right one. But both are alert only. Pronunciation both are alert. But this alert is the right one. This will execute, but this will not execute for you. Browser can't able to understand capital A alert. And browser cannot able to understand this one. This one. Why? Because of here I am writing what? Capital letter D. But when we write like this,
Capital D.
This when I write like this will work out. This is the right one. See, that is the what actually JavaScript is case sensitive. Remember it. Now alert is okay. And if you want to print something, for example, I want to save the name. Name is equal to Srinivas, and I want to execute a name. Alert name, or my name is plus concatenation. Now, can you see this? We have to see two alert boxes now. The first alert is allows JavaScript. Let me launch this. First alert is hello JavaScript. Second alert is basically my name is Srinivas. That will come. First alert is hello JavaScript. Immediately one more alert is going to be there. My name is Srinivas. Two alert boxes I can able to see. Two alert boxes I can able to see. That's fine. So this is the way of writing alert boxes. Now we will move to the prompt boxes. What I told about prompt. Prompt is, this is something like a note point. And I write as note point. What about prompt? This is a JS function which is using for take input from users and store input value into the variable. And whenever you want to use the variable, you can use it. That's it. Okay, let me go and take a new program for the prompt message. Take a new program and save it as prompt message. Prompt.html. Okay, let's try to take a script over there. And prompt is equal to, prompt is a function. Enter first name. Prompt, enter last name. So go with the single quotes or double quotes. Enter last name. Enter first name, enter last name. Enter first underscore name, enter last underscore. Okay, so when I give the value, I want to store somewhere. This prompt message will take the value, but where that value is going to be getting stored with, that is going with the browser cache. For example, I am storing the name, I'm storing the first name, and I'm storing the last name. But where this value got stored, how I can able to observe the value got stored or not? So for that, I need to take a f underscore name is equal to where f underscore name, where l underscore name. Now you can able to observe. So when we enter some value by the prompt, when I am giving some input to the prompt, that value got stored in the fname. When I enter some value to the second prompt box, that value got stored in a lname. That value got stored in a lname. F underscore name is a variable which got stored a value called first prompt message. Whatever the value entered by the user, that value got stored into the F underscore name. Whatever the value got entered by the second prompt box, that value got stored in the L underscore name. And finally, I want to see the full name of the person. Where full name? How to get the full name? Full name is equal to F name plus L name. Yes or no? But I want to show the alert box, or I can able to print the value document.write. Let me go. Full name is plus. When I see full name, I can able to print the final full name of the person after entering the value into the prompt. First prompt, second prompt. I just want to make it merge by the full name. But finally, I want to show the full name by the document.write. This is my agenda. So for this, what I need to do here? Right click on this, open in the browser. The first prompt box will take the value, second prompt box also will take the value. So enter first name, Srinivas. Okay. Enter last name, something like G. Okay. So finally, Srinivas G is the value which is going to be stored. But first name plus, I want to give some space here. So for space, I am taking the empty string. For space, I am taking empty string. Okay. That's what. Okay, one more time, I want to refresh my program. And first name is Srinivas. And last name is something like this. Now you can see full name is Srinivas space G. That's it. It's a very simple thing. Now, let me create one more program. I want to go with the simple calculator. I want to go with the simple calculator. Tell me how to create a simple calculator. Tell me where first number is equal to prompt of enter first number. Enter first number. Simple calculator. Addition two numbers. Addition two numbers. Second number or last number. Second number. Second number is equal to prompt of enter second number. Enter second number. Okay. Now I want to add two values. Where sum? Where sum? How to work with the sum here? First number plus second number. Yes or no? Now document.write. Yes. Document.write summation is summation of two numbers. Summation of two numbers. Then plus, tell me, sum. Okay, so previously we are working on strings. First name is string, last name is string. And we are actually concatenating both strings in the first program. And we are actually working with the full name, and I am printing the full name by the document.write. But in this program, what I am trying to doing is working on two numbers. By the prompt, first number is taking. By the second prompt, second number is taking. But both two numbers need to be added. This time it is not concatenation. This time it is addition. This time it is not concatenation. This time it is addition. Concatenation of two numbers I want to take. Sorry. Addition of two numbers I want to take. In the previous program, concatenation of two strings we are doing. And in this program, addition of two numbers I am trying to do. Now, how this program will be executed? Tell me the first number. Whatever the number you want, you can take it. Tell me the first number, 100. And 105. What is the output, guys? What happened? Summation of two numbers. What is happening here?
The plus is acting as a conjunction.
Concatenation. See,
Concatenation.
basically in the first box you are entering 100. In the second box you are entering 100. Okay, so this is the important thing. In the first prompt box we are entering some value. In the second prompt box we are entering some value. Okay, so here I am entering 100, 100, and here also I am entering 105. But how this program is going to be executing finally? How this program is executing finally? 100, 105. Why? Because of what is the reason? What is the problem now? Anybody guess what is the problem here? What is the reason this is taking like this? Now plus is not working as an arithmetic operator. Plus is working as
string
concatenation operator.
concatenation.
Plus is working as concatenation operator. Why? Because of this is basically taking as string. Whenever you enter some number, that is stored as strings. That is going to be stored as string. At the same time, when you enter 105 in the second box, second prompt box, that also taken as string. So string plus string what? Concatenation. String plus string what?
Concatenation.
Concatenation. So for that, okay. Maybe the problem is like that, or the problem is the summation here, summation of two numbers. Okay, let me check it out. Let me check it out where the problem is. Problem is by the prompt box or problem is by the document.write. Let me give here. I don't want to go for the summation of two numbers. Just give the sum. Okay, the problem is actually coming from the really from the prompt, or the problem is coming from the document.write. Let me check. Let me execute again. Open in the default. Okay, now enter first number 100. Enter second number 105. Okay. The problem is not from the document.write. Problem is actually available itself from the prompt message only. Am I right?
Sir, how can you tell?
See, I'm removing document.write summation of two numbers plus na. Summation of two numbers is a string. And you may imagine, sir, maybe sum is a number, numerical type. Okay. But here I'm trying to writing like this now. This is the one now. So basically now you can tell me that this is a string now.
Yes.
This is the string.
Yes, sir.
And I am concatenating with a number. You may imagine, sir, here this is the number, sir. You are entering a 100, that is a number. Number plus number plus number is number only, sir. Number plus number only, sir. But I am taking the number here, sir. Summation. So summation of two numbers is a string here. So you may imagine, I already told you, string plus number is basically string only. String plus number, string only.
Yes.
So that is the very reason what I'm trying to doing is I'm removing this particular string. I'm just checking, maybe this is the number plus number or string plus number. That is the very reason I'm just removing this one. That is the very reason I'm removing this one. This one I'm removing. Still it is actually printing what? Still it is printing what? String only. So that is the problem.
Sorry.
Yeah. String
yes,
only.
Problem.
This is string only.
No. Concatenation.
This is working as concatenation. Now, if you want to see how the thing is happening, get with the console.log. Console.log first number. Then you can understand. Console is very, very clearly saying that it is a number of string. Console.log. Second number. That is the reason console is helpful to you. Console.log. Sum. and document.write. Okay, fine. Now let me launch this application. Open in default browser. Okay, let me try to enter the first number 100. Okay. Second number 105. Okay. Output is 100,105. Let me go to the inspector. Go to the console. Okay. So here it is. This is 100. This is 105. But it is 100,105. Okay.
Yes.
Basically, this 100 is taking a string. Inputs, prompt inputs are always strings. Prompt input always string. Even you are entering a number, that will take as a string, that will treat as a string. Then one formula we have to rectify this. There is a one method. Later we will discuss that method, but now you don't worry about it. There is a method called parseInt. ParseInt of prompt. And here also, so in coming classes I will discuss about it, but right now we have the issue with the numbers. That is the reason I'm actually converting to the integers. Right now I'm converting that particular string into integer. Now what is going to be? Now what it is going to be do? Okay, when I taken a string called 10, when I take a string called 10 inside a method called parseInt, inside a method called parseInt, I capital letter. When I say this method, what parseInt can do? ParseInt function. What parseInt function can do? It is basically executing your value as numerical value. This time it is string that was converting into the numerical value. That is the parseInt method. Got my point? ParseInt. It's a simple P small letter, I capital letter. That is case sensitive method. ParseInt is the method. Later we will discuss about this method. But now to rectify the problem, I am just entering the parseInt method. When I given some parseInt method, what is the output? Now you can check it out. First of all, save the program. Right click on this, open in browser. That's good. So enter the first number 100. Okay, enter the second number 105 and go to the output now. What is the output now? Now what is the output? 205. This is the solution. Solution we got. Solution we got, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now can I make it merge here? Okay, merge is okay. Addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers is plus. Okay, sum is basically a value called. This is string only. String plus string only. That is not an issue. We don't want actually the arithmetic operator now. So that is the reason it will go for the 100 and 108. Then go for the output. Addition of two numbers is 208. That's
208.
fine. That's fine. Now you can do one thing, one assignment here. You can do assignment, I'm telling you. Okay. What assignment is? Subtraction you do. Multiplication you do. Multiplication. And what you can do is division. What you can do is modulo division. You know what is the operator for the modulo division? What is the operator for subtraction?
Percent.
Minus.
Percentage.
Multiplication, this division is this. Modulo division is percentile.
Percentage.
Yeah, you can do assignment of this. These four programs. Assignment. Okay, I will give a lot of assignments in JavaScript, sir. You have to do practice with JavaScript very well. Now, can I go with the one more program? Can I switch off this?
Yes, sir.
I'm switching off the code. Just open the code. If you want to open the code, what you want to do is select the code till now, till this, and control backslash. Control backslash comment and comment.
Where did you
comment add comment?
Sir, where did you read parseInt?
ParseInt. ParseInt for prompt. ParseInt is a function. ParseInt is a JavaScript function to convert string to integer or float to integer. Any value you can convert into integer.
Okay, sir.
Any value you can convert into integer. Okay. Is it clear? Still question.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, no problem. See, any
Yes, sir.
value you can convert into integer. Okay, let me tell you. You are in confusion mode. You are in confusion mode. Let me go with the inspector. By inspector, I will tell all these things. Clear
Sir,
this.
for float, like we write parseInt for this
Sir, tell the
for
sir.
modular, we will need float. So how?
See,
Parse
that
float
is
or
a very reason. That is a very reason. So this is what kind of value? Double single quotes. It is a string, right? ParseInt of
yes, sir.
ParseInt of 10. What happened? Type of
10.
the method type is working or not? Type of type of 10 what? Number. Okay. Now let me go for the 10.5. It is float. Okay. Type of 10.5. What is the kind of thing? Number have two things. Number have integer, number have float. But this is kind of float. Okay, I want to convert this 10.5 into integer. ParseInt of 10.5 or 10.6. What is the output now?
10.
10. Okay, so
0.6 is
parse float of 10. Parse float of 10. 10.0 it should come basically. Sorry, did not got any mail of recorded lecturers. Can you? Yeah, Ramakant, please send your email ID. Please give me a request. What is your email ID, Ramakant? Yeah, please. Yes, I will keep this email ID. You are not there from the starting onwards, huh? You are not there for the HTML and CSS.
No, sir, I was there, but I have missed lectures for JavaScript.
Okay. So please check your email ID is available here or not. This one, Ramakant.
No, sir, it's not there.
It's not there, huh? This one, I will upload it. Huh? Today I will add it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Drive I will add it. Now tell me, sir. Working with this parse float of 10. Parse float of, okay, let me give parse float of string. I'm taking a string here, 10.67. Now it is converting into what? Floating value. 10.67 inside the double quotes, that is basically a string. That was converting into the float. Yes or no? Parse int of 10.7. 10.67. Now it is converting into what? Integer. So in this way, the parseInt method is working or parse float method is working. There is no parse string, sir. Okay, so don't imagine parse string is available or not. Parse string is not defined. That method is not there. Only for parseInt and parse float. See, any number which is going to be adding with string, for example, 10 plus 10. What is the output here? 10. Why 10 is coming in string? String plus number is string only. Okay, number plus float only. Float is the first preference here. String plus string. String plus string. String only. 10 only. Okay. Number plus number. 3 plus 5, 6. Number only.
Number.
Okay. 45 plus 6, 56.56. This is float only. Why? Because float is the first preference. Float plus integer. Float is the first preference. String plus integer. String is the first preference. String plus float. String is the first preference. String plus float. 10 plus 10.5. What is the first preference here?
String.
String only. This is the way of this string only. This is string only. Number
Yes, sir.
integer
Both are
plus
string.
string. Yeah, integer both are string. Okay, let me give 10 plus 10.5. This is string. What is happening? Same thing. Number plus string, string only. String plus string, string only. Float plus string, float plus string. Float
String
plus
only.
string. Float plus strings are string only. Float plus string, string only.
Sir. Uh,
String only. This one is a string, huh?
yes. Sir.
Double quotes taken.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this
String
is the
only.
way, this is the way you have to remember all the parse methods. Okay. Okay. Let me try to do one more assignment. Let me keep comment this one. One more program I want to tell with the prompt. Why? Because prompt is very, very important in the real time. Commenters, come down. Okay, so can you please tell me a price calculator? Price calculator. When you are purchasing a mobile in the shop. Okay, so the actual price variable should be like this. Actual price of the mobile. Enter actual price. Prompt. Enter price. Okay. Discounted price. Discounted price. Discounted price in percentage. Okay, now normally I will go with the normal program, then I can go with the percentage. Prompt, enter discounted price. Enter discount. Enter discount enough. Now final price of the product. Can I go with the price value is always number, no? Number or string, whatever it may be. So let me go with the parse int. This one is parse int here.
Sir, discounted price will be in percentage or number?
Yeah, that also we will do. That also we will do. First we will do this one. I will show. So final price is equal to, tell me, actual price minus discounted price, right?
Discounted price. Yes.
Now I want to print the final price of the product. Document dot write final price after discount. After discount. Final price after discount. And this one is final price. Let me execute. Open in default browser. Okay, enter price of the product. Price of the product 12,000, and the discount of the product is 1,000, and final price of the product is 11,000. Okay, this is fine. This is simple number, but my requirement is discounted price in percentage mode. How to do that? Discounted price will be in the percentage.
First, we need to calculate percentage.
Yes.
Convert percentage into number.
Final price
using formula.
Discounted price percentage. Okay, here. First of all, I need to convert that value. After percentage. Discount price is this one. Discounted price percentage. Okay, how to convert this one? Percentage value. Now discounted price. is equal to actual price into percentage by 100, right?
Yes.
Actual price into
Yes.
discounted percentage divided by. Now actual price minus this, whatever this. Okay, let me give the console here. Console is a very important one. Find out the values. This. Yeah. So enter discount. Enter discount in percentage. Okay. So let me execute this. Final price, actual price minus DIS underscore. DIS underscore is basically calculated value. Calculated value. Let me execute this. Okay, enter price of the products. 20,000. Discount is 23% discount. Okay. So after 23% discount, what is the product price? Okay, 4,600 discount you got. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is the way of working with a price calculator, and you can work with one more assignment. You can work with one more assignment. That assignment is temperature conversion. Temperature conversion. Temperature conversion. Temperature conversion, you can go with the formula and work with the prompt messages and work with the temperature conversion. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So in prompt message only, we have a lot of programs today. Now come to the next topic. There are multiple document related examples we have. The one is document. How to access elements from HTML to JavaScript, and how to access elements, classes, how to access classes from HTML to JavaScript. Access ID. Now access ID from HTML to JavaScript. So three concepts very, very important. See, diagrammatically, I will explain now how these are working. For example, this is my HTML. This is my HTML. And this is my JS. This is my JS. In my HTML, I have a lot of elements. From HTML, I want to access element to the JavaScript. Okay, I told you all similar elements are going to be storing in one array. Similar elements. For example, all H1s are storing in one array. H1, comma, H1, comma, H1, comma, H1, comma, H1. All similar classes are going to be storing in one array. Class called red, comma, red. All similar name of classes are going to be storing in one array. But IDs are unique. ID called Apple, unique. ID called Samsung, unique. ID called Lenovo, unique. All similar elements are going to be storing in one array. Remember, All similar name of classes are going to be storing in one array. Elements and classes. Okay. So whenever you want to access the elements, what is the code we need to write? Whenever you want to access the classes, what is the code we need to write? For example, I want to access the elements from here to here, or I want to access classes from here to here. I want to access these IDs from here to here. ID is singular, but elements are
Unit.
a combination of array. Classes are combination of array. Remember this part. Similar name of elements are storing in one array. Similar name of classes are going to be storing in one array. But IDs are separate. IDs are unique. IDs are separate. IDs are unique. That thing we have to remember here. IDs are unique. Okay, so let me write down a program. Let me save the program.
Sir, we have got only 2 minutes.
No, I will write a syntax only. Okay, so let me write the syntax. Document dot get elements by tag name. This is a keyword for that. And name of the tag is going to be h1, for example. h1 of 0. This is the first element, first h1 I can able to access. Okay, the same thing for classes. Just I am giving syntaxes today. Monday we will see the program, multiple programs on this. Document dot get elements by class name. This time it is not tag, this is class name. Name of the class. But ID is unique, ID is singular. ID is singular. Document dot get element by ID. Element by ID. I capital ID name. ID. See, remember the point. I have n number of h1s in my HTML. That is the reason h1 of 0. May I have n number of classes, similar classes in my HTML. That is the reason we have to go for index here. Index is 0. Here, this is the 0 index. 0 index is first element. 1 index is second element. I have two h1s, sir. First h1 is by 0. Second h1 is by 1. Okay, so we will take a lot of programs on this. This is also very important in real time. Accessing elements, accessing classes, accessing ID is the very important. And Monday we will see that. Okay, so please follow the assignments. I given 3 or 4 assignments. You do these assignments by Monday. Monday we will go through that.
Thank you, sir.
Signing off. Have a good weekend. We will meet again
Thank you,
Monday.
sir.
Monday 3 p.m. same time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please
Thank you.
send me recorded.
Sure.